welcome back to my channel. I'm Teacher Dorcas, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the Kenya National Anthem. I'm actually going to take you step by step on the keys using the DESCANT recorder. Then at the end of it all, I'm going to have my son play for you the entire song, as he's also learning in the process and he wants to show what he has learned by listening to me practice. This is our DESCANT recorder for the day. So to play the Kenya National Anthem, we are going to use key D, key C, key G, key A, and key E. And in my previous video, we have learned how to identify, to play the keys and to identify the 7 holes. So I don't want to repeat, so kindly, if you've not watched the first video or you don't know what the keys we are talking about, or how to play the DESCANT recorder, how to position your left hand and your right hand, how to practice breath control, kindly click on the title of my channel, Koidi Online Classroom. Go to the video section and scroll down and look out for a video written DESCANT recorder lesson 1. We have taught all this. So once you watch that video, then you're going to come back to this one and we are going to understand what we are talking about, key D, key E, key C, as we progress. So for today's lesson, we are going to learn how to play the Kenya National Anthem. So let's get down into it. So the first line of the Kenya National Anthem, we are going to use key D, key C, key G, and key A, and it goes like this. See, so when you hear that squeaky sound, it means I've left some air out. Okay, so make sure you have covered all the holes. So let me repeat. That is line 1. Okay, oh God of all creation. Then we go to line 2. Bless this our land and nation. Good. Line 3. Justice be our shield and defender. May we dwell in unity. Peace and liberty. Plenty be found within our border. Like that. Okay, so practice step 1, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5, and line 6. Then now you combine everything. Like that. Good.